Lightspeed offers instructional audio solutions that enable students to clearly hear their teacher and receive the best instruction at the right time. In the classroom, hearing is the primary channel for learning, but barriers exist that prevent students from clearly hearing and understanding their teachers, including background noises, distance, masks, and teacher vocal strain. With a Lightspeed system, teachers wear a simple, lightweight wireless microphone that evenly distributes their voice with excellent clarity. And studies have shown that adding this technology ultimately improves instructional effectiveness and student performance. Lightspeed's 975 is a versatile, powerful instructional audio system that addresses these fundamental barriers to hearing, delivering high-quality audio for every student while seamlessly integrating with all your classroom technologies. The solution shines in its versatility, operating well in every type of instructional space across your campus. The 975 is available with multiple speaker options to fit various room sizes, shapes, and ceiling types. And additional speakers can be added to cover larger areas such as media centers. The 975 provides a large wireless range with no audio dropout in any school space. And point-to-pair functionality allows teachers to quickly and easily move their microphone to different classrooms. Multiple audio inputs allows the 975 to integrate with laptops, mobile devices, and interactive displays and panels to ensure all multimedia audio is heard throughout the classroom. And audio outputs provide integration with assistive listening devices and with computers for distance learning and recording applications. Finally, Lightspeed's 975 solution now interfaces with a wide variety of life safety solutions, ensuring building-wide communications are never missed and triggering alert notifications directly from the teacher's microphone when required. The Lightspeed 975, built for the demands of today's and tomorrow's active learning spaces. To learn more, contact Lightspeed today.